Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Welcome to 120 Kittle Lane, which is located on the west side of Athens in the Lake Meeler Neighborhood. This home offers an open floor plan with split bedrooms. Large dining area, great room with fireplace, high ceilings, beautiful kitchen and breakfast area. Office/flex space with glass doors directly off the foyer. Main level floors have engineered hardwood floors. Bathooms and laundry room feature ceramic tile. Large pantry. 4-bedroom, 3 baths on male level. Kitchen boasts large island, beautiful spacious cabinetry, tile backsplash, granite kitchen countertops, large pantry. Spacious owner's suite has tray ceiling, large walk-in closet with tornado shelter/flex storage area and large master bath with tile shower and soaking tub, marble bath countertops. Stairway with hardwood accent, large bedroom upstairs, walk-in attic storage.